Hello and welcome to another math video to prepare for the SATs with Mrs. Tricolo. And I made a video already on literal equations, but you know what? I think it is just worth it to do more. So let's, oh, here we go. Sorry, my pen was in the wrong color. All right, practice solving for h. So we want to solve for that h. We're going to treat everything else like it is a coefficient. So all of this that's left over, you're going to divide both sides by that so that you will get s over 2 pi r, and that equals h. Let's do another one. This time we want to solve for p. So what we're going to do is a little trick, because that's an 11/5. We will multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which is 5/11. So once you multiply both sides, that d will have a 5/11, and then you'll just have p minus 15. Notice I am not putting those parentheses anymore. I don't need to because I broke it up once I got rid of that 11/5. And then I want the p by myself, so I'm going to add 15 to both sides. So I will have 5/11 d plus 15 equals p. And let's do a couple more. Okay, and this time we want to solve for h, which is right there. So I'm going to treat this like a constant, okay? I'm going to keep it together. So it's going to be a minus that 2 pi r squared equals 2 pi r h, and I want to solve for h. So I'm going to treat this section like a coefficient. So I'm going to divide that entire side by the 2 pi r. So it'll be a minus 2 pi r squared over the entire thing over 2 pi r equals h. We can simplify this a little more, but it would be a multiple choice question on the SAT. So I guess since I'm talking about it, I might as well. Minus, and then that would cancel, and then these you would subtract 2 minus 1. So it will be just minus r equals h. On this side, easy, you want to solve for I, divide both sides by r. So e over r equals I. And let's do another one. And now I want to solve for x. So what I will do is divide both sides by m. So I'll have y minus y1 over m equals, and then this x minus x1 can break up. So I'm going to just take this minus x1 and go plus x1. And I think that one's pretty similar, so I won't do it all over again. And then let's see which other ones are kind of different maybe and worth looking into. I think they're all kind of the same here. Let's do this one. Oh. I think that one looks like it might be worth it because I want to show you something interesting, and that is using a proportion to solve equations. So when I see something like this, I put this over 1 and then I go crisscross. So I'll have L plus 3W equals 2R. So again, using proportions to solve fraction equations, especially if it's something like, well, let me finish this, I guess. So 3W equals 2R minus L, and then W is 2R minus L all over 3. But let's say it was something like X plus Y over 2 minus P equals 4 over M. Speed that up. Okay, and let's say we want to solve for P. So what I would do if you want to solve for P is just go like this, crisscross. I think that's the fastest way. So you'll have m times x plus y equals 4 times 2 minus p. You want to solve for p, so you'll divide both sides by 4. And so you'll get, this is a little sloppy here. So we'll have 1/4 m x plus y equals, and now I can do the 2 minus p on its own. And then what I would do is bring the p over to the left. So I'll say p equals 1/4 m x plus y. And because I brought that over to the other side, that would actually be negative, and then the 2 would be positive. But it looks a little better if you write it this way. It's just more traditional, and that is what p is. So there you go, a little more on literal equations. Thank you for watching and have a great day.